Okay, so this is course 72193, my college algebra, and I'm just going to try and copy into one of these modules. And let's just go here. Let's say, and so I'm going to copy from one of my other summer courses. 72191, you can see this one right here. This is the one I'm copying. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to just copy the chapter 6 test review. And when I hit copy selected content, this is the error that I'm getting. And in this course, well, all of them are set up the same. I have weekly modules. I have folders. The folders have videos and sometimes PDF links. Some of them have Pearson links, but I don't have any folders inside of folders. So I don't think that's an issue. And if I, let me just go into one of my other summer courses. This is basic math, and I'll try and just do the same thing, except I'll try and copy it from college algebra, let's say, into this course. On this one, I have not drug my files in that one yet. That one's not quite ready, but that's okay. Let me just go here. I'm still working on week 8. So let me just put something here. And this time I'm going to try and copy from the college algebra, the 72193. And I'm going to hit copy, and once again I'm getting the same error. So that is the error that we were talking about. I hope that helps. If you need additional information, please email me. Thank you.